Hello and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel and how earn online money. Today I will discuss and I will learn what is Amazon and 7 different ways Amazon makes money. First of all, we are from the Amazon. What is Amazon? Amazon was founded in 1994 in Bellevue, Washington. It went public on May 15, 1997 with an IPO price of $18 per share. As of November 12, 2021, the stock traded at $3,525. The stock has split 3 times all prior to the new millennium. It had a 2-for-1 split on June 2, 1998, a 3-for-1 split on January 5, 1999, and another 2-for-1 stock split on September 2, 1999. And shortly I will learn why Amazon business model. Amazon makes money through 7 primary channels: the Amazon Store, Prime subscription, Alexa systems, book publishing, Kindle media sales, and music and video production. Amazon also owns more than 14 subsidiaries that include Audible, Diapers.com, Windeeb, and Zappos. And Amazon makes money in 7 ways. The number 1, Amazon Store and retail sales. In 2020, Amazon had over $404 billion in retail sales. This is a significant amount of Amazon revenue. Fees for retail sales do vary. Individual sellers pay $0.99 per item sold on the platform. There are also closing fees that range from $0.45 to $1.35. It is enough for that. Professional sellers do pay more, with variable closing fees averaging 13%, going as high as 25%. Amazon has increased seller fees over time, with the most recent price increase being 2% to 3% increase in June of 2021. The second way to make online money from Amazon is Amazon Prime subscription. Amazon Prime is the subscription service sold by Amazon. Fees can be paid monthly or annually. It is $12.99 per month or $119 per year. With Prime, members save on delivery costs, get access to Prime Music, Prime Reading, Prime Video, and are eligible for special offers. Amazon Prime sales generate more than $25.21 billion in revenue. In 2022, Amazon pricing has increased over the years, where Prime membership originally cost $79 per year. The number 3 is Alexa smart home system. Amazon sells and hosts the Alexa smart home system. The Alexa smart speakers cost anywhere from $40 to $1,200. There is no monthly fee for using Amazon Alexa enabled devices. It is estimated that Alexa has a 90% gross profit margin for Amazon. The number 4 is KDP Publishing. Amazon is one of the largest platforms for authors to self-publish. And Prime on Demand with KDP, Amazon makes 30% or more of each book printed or sold, with authors getting royalties between 35% to 70%. It offers paperback, hardcover, and digital files of books. The way of 5 is Kindle. Amazon is a leader in digital book platform with the Kindle products. While it is widely reported what Amazon sells the Kindle at cost for a loss, it makes its money off of advertising and media sales. The media sells or the cost of each book it sells on the platform. Readers can buy a subscription Kindle Unlimited for $9.99 a month or pay for each book sold, where Amazon keeps 0.15 per megabyte file size of the book. There are also delivery fees on books priced over 2.99, which vary by country. The sixth, Amazon Video. Amazon Prime Video is another subscription. My friends, this is a very important step. The sixth, Amazon Prime Video is another subscription service that Amazon sells for $9 a month. It is enough. It is very low price. This allows subscribers to watch movies and television shows. The library growing, but it is said to have over 24,000 movies and 2,900 television shows, with some being original programming. The last one is Amazon Music. Amazon Music costs $7.99 per month or $79 per year. On top of the cost of the subscription, Amazon makes money on the publishing of independent music. Amazon pays musicians a fraction of a penny per stream, $0.00402. It is very low price, which is in the middle of what Spotify and YouTube pay per stream. So my friends, this is the topic about Amazon, and here are 7 ways which we make money from these 7 ways. And the end of I will say that please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, and thank you for watching.